across the vast icy tundras where the wind howls and the snow never melts, and through the mysterious shadowed forests shrouded in mist and ancient secrets, woolly mammoths and dire wolves reign supreme. Today, with the incredible power of gene editing and biotechnology, these ancient titans might just roam the earth once more. This is the story of how science is reaching back into history to revive lost legends. Through cutting-edge technology and relentless research, scientists are unlocking the secrets of the past to bring back creatures like the woolly mammoth and the dire wolf. Woolly mammoths, colossal cousins of today's elephants, vanished around 4,000 years ago. They roamed the icy tundras, feeding on grasses and shrubs. Dire wolves, larger, stockier relatives of modern wolves, disappeared roughly 10,000 years ago. They hunted in packs across North America. Climate change, habitat shifts, and human hunting all played roles in their extinction. But new technologies like CRISPR and de-extinction efforts offer a chance to undo that final chapter and bring these legends back to life. De-extinction isn't about bringing exact copies back. Instead, it's about using gene editing, like CRISPR, to insert ancient DNA traits into the genomes of modern relatives. For the woolly mammoth, scientists target the Asian elephant, its closest living cousin. For dire wolves, researchers explore ancient DNA to understand unique traits, although reviving them poses more complexity due to genetic distance from modern wolves. The process involves extracting and analyzing ancient DNA, then using CRISPR to edit the genes of living species. Challenges include ensuring the edited genes function correctly and ethical considerations of de-extinction. Leading this charge is Colossal Biosciences, aiming to create a cold-resistant elephant hybrid, a mammothant, with woolly mammoth traits, thick fur, small ears, specialized fat stores. Restoring mammoths could help revive the Arctic tundra and slow climate change by turning forests back into carbon-trapping grasslands. Colossal Biosciences' innovative approach could have profound ecological impacts, potentially restoring balance to fragile ecosystems. Meanwhile, geneticists studying dire wolves have uncovered their deep divergence from modern wolves, revealing that recreating a dire wolf would require not just editing traits, but possibly building a heavily modified canine hybrid. The genetic challenges are immense, involving intricate DNA sequences and potential ethical concerns. But just because we can, does it mean we should? Would these creatures adapt to today's drastically changed ecosystems? What rights would these revived animals have? Scientists stress that habitat restoration, animal welfare, and ecological balance must guide every step of de-extinction. The potential impacts on today's ecosystems and animal welfare are profound. De-extinction is no longer just science fiction. It's becoming scientific reality. As we unlock the secrets of ancient DNA, we also unlock powerful new responsibilities. We must ensure these creatures thrive in their new environments. Reviving the woolly mammoth and perhaps one day the dire wolf could reshape ecosystems, inspire wonder, and force humanity to rethink our place in nature's grand story. Their return could restore lost ecological balance and offer new insights into our past. To truly appreciate the potential of de-extinction, one must understand the evolution of gene editing and biotechnology. These fields have progressed remarkably over the past few decades, transforming the impossible into the conceivable. The journey began with the discovery of the DNA double helix by Watson and Crick in 1953, which laid the foundation for modern genetics. Fast forward to the 1970s, and the advent of recombinant DNA technology allowed scientists to splice genes from one organism into another, revolutionizing biotechnology. By the early 2000s, the Human Genome Project had mapped the entire human genome, opening new doors for genetic research. The real game changer arrived in 2012 with the development of CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool that allows precise modifications to DNA sequences. This technology has made it feasible to consider the resurrection of extinct species. The passenger pigeon, once abundant in North America, is one such candidate for de-extinction. Its demise in the early 20th century was a stark reminder of human impact on wildlife. Efforts are now underway to bring back this iconic bird using CRISPR technology. Another example is the Pyrenean ibex, a species of wild goat that went extinct in 2000. Scientists successfully cloned a Pyrenean ibex in 2009, although the clone only survived for a few minutes. This milestone demonstrated the potential and challenges of de-extinction. These advancements in gene editing and biotechnology are not just about resurrecting extinct species. They also hold promise for conserving endangered species, enhancing agricultural productivity, and even curing genetic diseases. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, the possibilities seem endless. The evolution of gene editing and biotechnology has not only made de-extinction possible, but also provided us with powerful tools to shape the future of life on Earth. As we look to the future, the potential of de-extinction continues to expand. Imagine a world where the woolly mammoth roams the Arctic tundra once more, or the dodo bird returns to the forests of Mauritius. These are not merely flights of fancy, but real possibilities, thanks to the rapid advancements in genetic technologies. The revival of other extinct species, such as the Tasmanian tiger or the saber-toothed cat, is under serious consideration by scientists. Each species brought back could play a crucial role in restoring ecosystems that have been out of balance for centuries. For instance, reintroducing the woolly mammoth could help combat climate change by transforming the tundra back into grasslands, which can better sequester carbon. However, the long-term ecological impacts of de-extinction are still largely unknown. Reintroducing species into environments that have evolved without them could have unintended consequences. It's a delicate balance. While some ecosystems may benefit, others could be disrupted. Public opinion and policy will play pivotal roles in shaping the future of de-extinction. The ethical and ecological implications of bringing back extinct species are subjects of intense debate. Public support can drive funding and legislative action, while skepticism can halt projects in their tracks. Governments and international bodies will need to establish guidelines and regulations to navigate this complex new territory. Ultimately, the future of de-extinction hinges on a collective decision. As we stand at this crossroads, we must weigh the benefits against the risks, considering not just the scientific possibilities, but also the ethical and ecological responsibilities. The road ahead is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The choices we make today will shape the legacy we leave for future generations. As we close this chapter, we invite you to ponder the profound question, should we bring back the past to shape the future? The answer may hold the key to a new era of life on Earth.